Morning world, it's, believe it or not, 5:30 in the morning. It's Saturday the 6th of April 2013. I'm up really early because I'm off to do loads and loads of readings for people down in deepest Cornwall. It's a 3-hour drive, so I'm off at the moment. I'm going to break my routine. I'll come back to doing astrological summaries of planets tomorrow or the next day, but it's Saturday morning and I got shown the horoscope last night of North Korea. How do countries get their horoscopes? Well, they're not always accurate, and North Korea is a case in example. We don't know when North Korea came into formation, but we do have documentary evidence that says that North Korea was given independence at midday on the 12th of September 1948. This is when it was given independence by its Soviet occupiers. And most horoscopes for North Korea come from that date. So that's the chart that's been used for 60 years, 50, 60 years. So perhaps that's the one that's come into force. That does create problems. The horoscope of North Korea makes it a Virgo, Scorpio rising, moon in Capricorn. But the moon is at 10 degrees Capricorn in North Korea's chart, square to a Mercury-Pluto conjunction in Libra. That is being affected big time now by the Uranus-Pluto square. In North Korea's chart there is a Sun square Jupiter, which is endemic in people as well as institutions that go over the top and undercut themselves. And in North Korea's chart there is a strong Saturn square the Scorpio ascendant, perhaps accentuating the secrecy around this state. With Uranus-Pluto hitting its moon and Mercury and Pluto, something's going to give. At the very latest 12 months from now, I can't see North Korea as we understand it existing. Whether it will be a Chinese occupation, whether it will be a war, whether South Korea will become North Korea as well, we don't know yet. But I can't see North Korea as still existing in a year from now. And whilst we're on the subject of North Korea, I note that in North Korea's chart, the Mercury-Pluto conjunction in Libra square the moon does give rise to a degree of fear and worry around nuclear. Everything nuclear that's connected astrologically has to do with the planet Pluto. And I note that just in recent days, in Britain we've given the permission for the first of a new set of nuclear power stations at Hinkley, which is a disgrace. In England, in Britain, we've had the Prime Minister reaffirming our belief and our need for nuclear weapons and Trident missiles. For every Trident missile we can have a new hospital. That's what it costs. One new hospital equals one Trident missile. And we don't even own them, we rent them from America. But our Prime Minister says we must have a nuclear deterrent in the face of rogue states such as North Korea and Syria, which is such a load of rubbish and tosh that I've never heard in my life. We've got the Japanese nuclear situation suddenly developing again. We've got Korea kicking off with potential nuclear issues. It seems like the word nuclear is becoming everywhere again. And there seems to be a push towards nuclear power. I'm strongly against nuclear power, but then I would be, I'm agreeing. Do I think North Korea is going to kick off? Well, probably, yeah, a little bit, but long term, large scale, I don't see North Korea as being in existence by this time next year. Should be an interesting one to find out. Okay, I'm going to get off. I've got a long journey ahead of me. Catch you later tonight or first thing in the morning. Cheers. Bye.